This is Ben from Testiv, and we're solving an SAT math problem. Okay, this problem gives us an expression, x to the 1/2 times x to the 3/2 times x, and asks which of the following expressions is equivalent to the one above, or to our left, really. Okay? Pretty straightforward. A good reminder of the rules of exponents. Okay, so before we look at this problem, let's just look at exponents here. So if I have an exponent, let's say 2 to the 4th, that means I'm multiplying 2 by itself 4 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? So what if I have 2 to the 4th times 2 squared? Well, that means it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we just add 4 and 2, and we get 6. This equals 2 to the 6th, okay? Because we're just multiplying 2 by itself 6 times, okay? If we were to have 2 to the 4th all squared, well, that would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times itself. So it would actually be times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this would be, we multiply these together and we get 2 to the 8th, okay? But we're dealing with the first kind right here. That's what this is like, okay? So we have x to the 1/2 times x to the 3/2 times x. So all we're going to do is multiply these exponents together. So it's just going to equal x to the 1/2 plus 3/2 plus, wait, we don't have an exponent. Well, that means our exponent is just 1 plus 1. Well, let's give 1 a common denominator. So let's call it 1/2 plus 3/2 plus 2/2, because that's 1, equals x to the 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. So that makes it x to the 6/2, which is x to the 3rd. I almost messed that up there. X to the 3rd. And that is our answer. Had I messed that up, it wouldn't have been a problem in this case because x to the 5/2 isn't one of our answer choices, but it's good to double check your math there.